You know, I do the spark plugs already, so.
Yeah.
It'd be pretty easy this time.
Pop that open. Take this off. And you get a 10 millimeter. Come on, don't do that. Forgot my my socket set at home. So just gotta work with what I've got in the truck, but so well, I know it's a 10. In there. Comes out. Looking at that,
Yeah, you can see the difference.
Yeah, it's night and day.
Yeah, that was just put in recently.
Yeah, they went in Tuesday. So.
Tell you a lot of oil getting in there.
Yeah.
Is that why the oil's burning off so quick?
Yeah, and that's why there's a leak, but you can't see any spills. It's leaking into the engine.
Right.
This goes back in here. And it should run just fine now. And then no lights.